focus. Ugh. Having trouble? No, I got this. There. Oh, where's it going? Wait, how cool is this? Wow, this is awesome! Look! Huh? My eyes! Marvelous! What? I can do one better than that. I just need a little plan. Perfectly placed droplets and something pointy are all I need. Whoa, check it out! This is the best thing ever! Look! Huh? Wow! Look! Oh my goodness! Such talent! Yes! We did it! Woohoo! What the… Are you seeing this? I love a good melon. Ahem. Huh? Oh! It's for you! What? To draw! Oh, not this. This one. See? Your inspo. Oh. A watermelon slice, huh? I can manage that. The perfect triangle. With some extra detailing, of course. There it is! A watermelon slice. Impressed? I don't know about that. I can make something more interesting. Or maybe not. Hey, mind if I borrow this? Yeah? Use your own. Okay. Fine. But what? Oh, I've got it! It's not a ruler, but it'll do. Just add paint. But first, I need my shape. The perfect triangle. Pretty great, right? Now for the pop of color. Watermelon red, baby! Nice! But before it dries, let's stamp this bad boy. Perfect! But it's not watermelon without green. And big black seeds. See? Watermelon heaven! Huh? How did she do all that? What do you think? Hey! So juicy. Oh, beautifully done, Megan! Yes! I win! Sorry I'm late! What did I miss? I know. Today is all about rainbows. Rainbows? Hey, look at those markers. Yep, let there be rainbows. All done. Hey, I have supplies too, you know. Maybe too many? Wait, a pepper? And yarn? How did these get in here? I remember rushing out the door. No, I grabbed the wrong bag! It's going to be a magical day! Am I going to school? Can I borrow these? No way, dude. Mine. Rude. What's the teacher doing over there? Hold on. I'll get it. Wait. Q-tips. My mom always has them. If I can't borrow her markers… Huh? I'll just steal them. Okay, focus. These are like little brushes. Or one giant brush. And the marker ink is the paint. Now for a little moisture. Hello, water. And hello, rainbow. Wow. But why stop there? When you can do all this. Huh? No way! How did you do all that? Ew, gross. Ugh. Hey. Well, are those rainbows? Oh, Luna, it's perfect! Way to go! Did you hear that?
That's it. Hold it right there. I'm gonna capture your beauty. There! My masterpiece is done! Ugh! That's terrible! That'll give me nightmares. Let's try something different. Huh? What the… Am I imagining things? Whoa! What's going on? Where am I? Wait a second.
I guess you're my new Ken.
Whoa! Hi, Barbie!
We're gonna have some fun!
You're saying all the right things. Whoa! Look at that! A drawing challenge! My friends won't believe this!
Look, it's the first challenge.
Let's get started. I have a good feeling about this.
Wow! So many colors! This is the best day ever!
I know, right? Huh? What's that? How did that get there? I suppose I better put it on.
Oh! That's what it's for!
I can't see a thing! Barbie? I hope that's you! I'll help you.
What a gentleman.
Who said that? Ah, I found the pens.
I've no idea what colors I'm picking.
That's what makes it fun.
That should be enough. Can we take the eye mask off now? Ooh, I'm happy with that. What did you get?
Let's find out. Oh, I could have been better. Are you seeing this?
Hey, I don't make the rules.
Fine, let's get this over with.
Ready? Go!
I'll start with the hair. I'll use the yellow pen for this.
My drawing is going to be a redhead. I don't want to make any mistakes.
This is going well. I'm having fun.
It's so relaxing. We should do this more often.
You mean like boyfriend and girlfriend?
Whoa. Slow down, buddy. We're still getting to know each other.
This guy is gonna look like an alien.
I'm so glad I got some good colors. I can color the face now.
I think I'm finished.
So am I.
It turned out pretty good.
You're kidding, right? This is a work of art.
Whatever. What's happening?
I don't know.
This is weird. Hey, you look great.
Really? Aw, that's so sweet. You look like you're gonna throw up.
Wait, what'd you say? Aw, I'm green! Ah!
I love your dress.
Just look at her.
You know, we should try different shoes.
This drink's tasty.
Blue really complements that outfit.
Hey, another challenge. This could be risky. I'll need to think about this. Ugh, my straw keeps moving. That's better. Thinking is thirsty work. Hang on. I can use this. First I'll need to paint a heart. I'm gonna make it multicolored. This is the last part. Now I need my straw. I'll gently blow through it. The paint will spread over the paper. I'll do this all the way around. Then I'll add some details. I'll draw 2 eyes. And a happy smile. Let's give it rosy cheeks. My work here is done. Hey Barbie.
Such pretty shoes. What is it?
What do you think? I made a love heart.
Wow, it's perfect. It's adorable.
I made it for you.
Oops. This is awkward. I don't have anything for Justin. What am I gonna do? Wait. I have an idea. My doll's shoes. These will save the day. I'll need a small canvas. I'll paint a love heart on it. Then I'll place the shoes across it. I'll line them up. I want to cover the love heart. And I'll use different colored shoes. This is the last one. It's like a rainbow. Take a look, Justin. Do you like it?
I promised myself I wouldn't cry. But I can't help it.
This is so sweet.
I'll treasure this for life. It's the best gift ever.
Oh, you.
Oh, what a day! The weather's awful! I'm glad I'm home. Oh, what's that?
I found a new friend. Can I keep it?
Is that a stick? How did you do this? We need to clean you up.
Ooh, easy, Granny.
Hold on. This gives me an idea. Come on, we're gonna do some painting. Make yourself comfortable. We're going to need a leaf. I'll place it onto the paper. Then I'll brush paint onto it. I'll start with purple paint. I'm going to paint it different colors. Just like this. Now for the fun part. I'll flip it over. I'll put it onto the paper. I'll gently press it. I'll carefully lift it off. Now I'll do the same again. I want to create a pattern. This is so relaxing. I'm done with this. Now we need a stick. This can go in the middle. Time for the finishing touches. I'll draw 2 antennae. That's it. I painted a butterfly. It looks good, huh?
Wow, good job, Granny. I painted something too.
It's terrifying. Raw.
Happy birthday, Granny! Make a wish!
Wow, thank you, dear.
Let's eat. I'm so hungry. Where should I start? The cake!
Sounds good. I'll take care of it. Stand back. I've been training for this moment.
Huh? What are you doing? Slice the cake.
I was hoping that would work.
Hurry up, Granny. My mouth is watering. This is so hard. I can't resist it. I want to eat them all. No, I can't. Oh, it's taking so long. Oh, stop it. Oh, I can't wait any longer. So good. It's amazing. More. I want more. I regret nothing. Wow, it's so good. Oh no, Granny. She'll be mad. Oh, what have I done? What am I gonna do? Maybe she won't notice. Hang on. I know, the bag. I'll need to inflate it. Then I'll pinch the end. I'll dip the end into paint. Now I'll press it onto paper. I'll make a pattern with the bag. Now I'll add some circles. I'll put them in the middle of the shapes. Next I'll paint stems. Granny loves flowers. Wow, it's perfect. Oh, here she comes. I made this for you.
Oh, for me? Really? Oh, it's wonderful. This is the best gift. I'm getting emotional. You're so sweet. Thank you, dear. You deserve some cake.
Nice and easy, does it? This is tough. Come on. Oh, it's too hard. I give up.
I thought this would happen. I need to do something. Aha! Time for a costume change. Look what I got!
Huh? I don't want them.
Oh, let's try something else. Wait, this isn't right. Whoa! I'm getting dizzy. Oh, how about video games?
What? No! Leave me alone.
Wow, tough crowd. There's only one thing for it. I've got snacks.
No, there's only one thing I want. The bike!
Really? You want that? Wait, I have an idea. I'll start with the letter M. Then I'll add circles. Does it remind you of anything? It's a bike. What do you think?
Wow, so cool! I wanna try it. Watch this, Granny.
That's it. You got it. Keep going, dear.
Wow, this is easy. I could do this all day. I'm on a roll. And I'm all done.
Let me have a look. Wow. Well done. You did it. I'm proud of you.
Can I go on the bike now?
Why not? You've earned it.
Woohoo! Thanks, Granny. I hope I don't fall off this time. This'll be so much fun. See ya, Granny!